Do you want to know how to delete your OnlyFans account? Then this video is the right one for you. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel Quick Guide, and today I'm here with another new video to show you guys on how you can delete your OnlyFans account. To do so, first of all, go on to any search browser that you're using and search for onlyfans.com, and then log into your OnlyFans account that you want to delete. After you're on your OnlyFans account, you'll be in the home page. Now just go below until you see more and then click on it. After that, go on to settings, and here you can see you need to go on to account and scroll down until you see account management, where you can see an option for delete account. If you click on delete account, and now you need to input the verification or the captcha that is given to you, that is XNRNV, and hit on enter or delete account in this case. After that, it will again show you are you sure to confirm your action. Now you just click on yes delete, and then now your OnlyFans account will be deleted forever. And that's how you can delete your OnlyFans account from your PC. This was for this video, and I hope you guys find our video helpful. If you do, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell notification. And don't forget to drop a comment for review for more content like this. See you guys in our next video. Thank you for watching.